So some 15 years ago I bought that fossil watch for actually just one reason. And for me, the dial here actually reminds me, or reminded me at the time, of the dashboard of an old car, like you see here next to the watch. And I still like it. It's not an expensive clock, not at all, but as I said, it kind of reminds me of the look of these old dashboards, which had these dark wood veneer, and even the numbers and everything kind of reminds me. And yeah, just thought I'm gonna share that with you. I'm not sure if that Fossil clock is still around. Usually that company Fossil sells these clocks or watches, sorry, maybe just for one season and then they have a new one. But I still wear it till today, and I actually just recently found out it's absolutely waterproof. It's maybe not ideal with the leather wristband, but it actually didn't get damaged, and I have it since 15 years and still up and running, and still like the design. It's quite big here, so it's actually a quite hefty watch, as you can see here. It's that's actually what I like about it. It's pretty big, pretty hefty, and yeah, it's still a good watch till today, and I really love it, and the design, and that is really like a big thing.